In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the dog images and the backgrounds to create amazing pages of your own. So we're going to use Canva. Canva is free for everyone to use. It's an online editor. If you don't have an account with Canva yet, it's easy enough to create one. And it's free, as I say. So you will log into your Canva account and go to Create a Design. And go to custom size, because we want to create 8.5 by 11, because that is the size of our coloring box. So there is our page, our first page, 8.5 by 11. We can call it, let's do dogs. And then I've already uploaded everything that I'm going to show you or use to show you, but what you will do is you will just go to uploads, upload media, and then go and find the images and the backgrounds wherever you save them and upload them to your Canva upload section. So the next thing to do is I just want to point out that when you use Canva, they tend to make the picture or the drawing, whatever you want to call it, smaller. So if I take that one for instance, you can see how small it is. So what you need to do with each one is just pull it to the corner there, pull it down to the corner here, and there you go. And that is the size that you want to use. You want to leave the outside here. Definitely you want to leave that blank. Oops, sorry, because that is the area that will get cut off when your book gets printed. Now you will see in your pack that you have backgrounds with and without borders. I'm going to use the border ones because it's just so much easier to see exactly where you can place everything, you know, and not go into the cut-offs. Right, so there we have a background. And we're going to find a dog that we can put on our background just to show you. Let's use this one. There we go. So we need to make it a bit smaller. It's a little bit big. And we'll put this doggy over there. And we'll find another one that we can in as well, and this one we'll just put over here, and there we go. And if you want, as I say, you can do whatever you please. You can put as many dogs, as few dogs, 1 dog, 2 dogs. You can even copy the same dogs. Let's just do it quickly. Make a duplicate and then just flip it around. There we go. So now you have 2 dogs that you have there high-fiving one another. And you have all the backgrounds, 10 backgrounds that you can use like this. And you can also, obviously, if you don't want to use backgrounds, you just want to use the dogs, you can just do that. We have included a bordered page that you can use to make sure that you stay within the borders. So there you have it. Then you can take your different dogs and just add them to your page. If you want to maybe make a page with a few dogs on it without backgrounds. As you can see, it's really up to you what you decide to do, how you want to do it. It is totally your choice, and there is so many varieties of pages that you can do that you can actually create a huge number of coloring books with this package. So there we go. So just put 4 in there. But that's, as I said, it's just to show you how quick and easy it is. And you obviously get the SVG files as well, so if you would rather work with them in one of your editors that you prefer, you can do that as well. Now I just want to quickly also show you just two of the backgrounds and the color backgrounds that we have. Now these you can use to create your own covers, and it's also very, very simple and easy. You can follow what we teach you in the course and do that, or you can use whatever. If you know how to do it, just use that. And as you can see, it's so easy. They're beautifully colored, so you can use them and make your own covers without having to design anything yourself. And you get all the dogs that you have here in full color, and you also get all the backgrounds in full color. Then just one last thing that I want to share with you that you also get in the pack, and this is what you can include to make activity books if you want to do more than just coloring pages. Now this is like a master one, so you can decide then if you want to add dogs to it and what dogs and so on. So we give you the masters. I'll just show you the next master one that we've already created, which is that one. Here you can see we've already created the page with the dog already on it, if you want to use it like that. Or there's the second one where we actually have the number tracing and the word tracing for 1, and we go from 1 to 10. Let me just show you. 10 is 10. So we have 10 dogs, and the kiddies can trace the 10 in numbers and in letters. And if you want to do it yourself, if you don't want to use, oops, that's the wrong one. If you don't want to use ours, then you can just, okay, sorry, I don't have one for the 10, but they go from 1 to 10 with just numbers, and then numbers and letters. So you can use those to create your own activity pages. You can even use them to create with other pictures and things. You don't necessarily just have to use it for the dog pack. So I hope that helps, and it shows you how easily you can use and quickly you can use this pack to create a huge number of individual coloring pages and activity pages, and yours will always be different from anyone else out there. Enjoy. See you soon.